Hi there. Welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm presenting another simple recipe, popcorn chicken, using my favorite cookware, the air fryer. With its crispy outside and super tender inside, this popcorn chicken is so tempting. Plus the effortless recipe, I cook this almost every week for my family and always receive compliments. Now, let me share the tricks with you. First, we need about 1.5 pound boneless and skinless chicken thigh. Cut into half centimeter thick and 1 inch long strips. Salt, garlic powder 1.5 teaspoon, ground black peppers ½ teaspoon, cumin powder ½ teaspoon, red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, starch or frying powder 2.5 tablespoons. Cooking oil, one tablespoon. Mix well and season for 10 minutes. I wouldn't use chicken breast to replace chicken thigh as it is just not as tender. After 10 minutes, use your hands to make small balls. Lay flat on the bottom of the pan of the air fryer. Air fry 390 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to repeat these steps. For me, it took 2 batches. And then put all the fried chicken bites together, spray 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, air fry 390 Fahrenheit degree 2 more minutes. And that's it. Get the family together, enjoy. The last trick is do not wait too long to consume, as it will lose the best crunchiness. Well, I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share the recipe. Also remember to subscribe for more exciting, authentic Chinese recipes from my channel. Thanks and see you around.